welcome to Evelyn and Ethan Vlog!
Oh, hi! In today's video, we are going to unbox my new toy. Lego Friends. Olivia's Hamster Playground. I thought that Lego is for boys. But no, it is also for girls. Just like this. Lego Friends for kids above 6 years old.
Have you met Lego Friends?
This is Stephanie, Andrea, Emma, Olivia, and Mia. This set contains Olivia with her hamster pets. See, she has 3 hamster pets.
There is a slide, a scooter, a ring, and Olivia's stylish glasses.
Let's open it! Okay, you go first.
Carefully then.
I'll help you. Okay. I'll help you. What? What happened to the instruction manual? Oh, there is one more. What? Wait a moment. What is this? Stickers!
Stickers are real fun. This is all I got.
Barbie is my best friend. Say hi, Barbie. Hello, my name is Barbie Roberts. Barbie, we got a new friend. Who is that? It's Olivia.
I got Olivia's leg. A cute little hamster.
Let Barbie hold her.
Oh, you're so soft. There are 2 more hamsters in the packet.
Look, Olivia's hair.
Her hair is curly and soft. I feel jealous. Hi Barbie, I am Olivia. Oh, hi Olivia. Nice to meet you. Let's be friends forever. Now, Olivia with her hamster pets. Brown one, a white one, and a grey one. Which one do you like the most? Let's start assembling the playground. See the cute girl holding the tag? In the boy series, it was a boy. See? Let's explore the instruction manual. And a cute flower. Put it right there. Then. Where is that piece? Oh, here. It's time for Knowledge Bites. Do you know hamsters love to hold their food? In fact, the name hamster comes from the German word hamstern, which means to hold. While eating, hamsters will hold or pack their food in pockets called cheek pouches. I have to find 3 cones. There are a lot of small pieces. The trickiest part is to find them out. There goes one. I had found the same piece while building the monster track as well, but of a different color. Ego is reusing the blocks to make different shapes. Cool, right? Olivia is ready. The hamsters are ready. The ring is ready. What next? Now let's scan the code. Start building. Let's build the car for the hamsters. This one goes here. Where's the other one? Oh, here it is. The car for the hamster is ready. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. See the tiny wheels? Do you like to play on slides? I do. So, let's build a slide for the hamsters. Let's make it more beautiful by adding stickers. Climbing up the ladder, slide. Olivia got excited. She also wanted to try. Oh, but she can't. Now let's build the roll wheel for the hamster. It is going to take time. So, knowledge bites. Syrian hamsters do not like company. Strange, huh? They will fight if kept together. You will be amazed to hear that their territorial nature begins at about 6 to 10 weeks of age. Let's make it fast. Almost done. Oh.
Hamster show begins. So let's welcome Olivia and her hamster pets. Hello! Are you ready, pets? Yes, yes, yes. Meet my pets. Brownie, Snowy, Rocky. Brownie, come with me. You're first. Come on. Sit in the scooter. Oh, don't worry. Vroom. Vroom. Good job. Now it's Snowy's turn. Come on. Good job. Yahoo! Good job. Come on. Yahoo! Good job. Now the showstopper of the show. Snowy! Come on, Snowy. Oh. He is ready. Let's switch on the ring. Wow, you're amazing, Snowy. Good job. Stop. Winding up the show. Bye for now.